Hi guys, Rodney Walker here with Grant Central USA. I'm so happy. If you haven't had a chance, go over right now to YouTube, Get Funded with Rodney. And when you go there, I want to encourage you to come down and check out some of these amazing stories. These are some rock stars. These are ordinary people just like you and I who want to learn the skill of grant writing. And one in particular I want to tell you about is Brooke Woods. Now, Brooke wanted to learn how to do grant writing. She was going through some challenging times and needed to learn the skill really quickly. And she also needed to land a job quickly. But she'd been wanting to do this for a while. And she overcame some tremendous setbacks. I won't go into detail right now, but from relationship setbacks to some other personal setbacks. And she talks about it very openly in this video. And I want to encourage you to go check it out. But I'm so proud of her. Not only did she learn the skill of grant writing, but she landed a job in a relatively short time and is now working on grant proposals for governments and all kind of foundation grant proposals. But I'm so proud of her because she's now also taking that knowledge and she's learning how to monetize it. So I just want to say kudos and keep up the good work. I've also bought in and asked a former Miss Universe, Natalie Glebova, to share some words of encouragement with our friend Brooke and the rest of you that are out there. Here's what she had to say.
Hello, dear Brooke. My name is Natalie Glebova. I'm an author, I'm a winning mindset coach, and I happen to be a former Miss Universe. Now, I want to send you a message to say big congratulations on learning a new skill and on landing a new job. How fantastic is that? Congratulations, you are a winner. And I also want to let you know that winners are defined by the challenges that they go through in their life. And winners are made by how they choose to overcome those challenges. And you, my dear Brooke, are a winner. You are definitely a winner because you have been through challenges. You have chosen to do something about it. You have chosen to learn a new skill and to react differently to your situation. And now you are winning. So just remember that whatever you want in life is always available to you. If you choose to take action, if you choose to reframe the situation, and if you choose to celebrate all of those small wins that you make throughout your day and throughout your life. Congratulations once again. Stay healthy, stay happy, always be beautiful, and sending you lots of love from Phuket, Thailand.
Hey, thanks for those wonderful, encouraging words, Natalie. And remember, the rest of you that are out there, whatever dreams and goals you have, don't sit on them. Don't sleep on them. Pursue them passionately. Remember, be brave, be bold, be brilliant, and take charge. All the best.